To update the CyberScout mobile app, start by opening the App Store on your device, either Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS. Once the store is open, tap on the search icon and type CyberScout in the search bar. Select the CyberScout app from the search results and click on it to go to its details page. On the app details page, look for the Update button, which is usually labeled as Update. If an update is available, you will see this button. Otherwise, you will see the Open button, indicating that your app is up to date. Click on the Update button to start the update process. You may be prompted to enter your App Store password or use biometric authentication to confirm the update. Once you have confirmed the update, the App Store will start downloading and installing the latest version of the CyberScout app. This process may take a few seconds or minutes, depending on your internet connection speed. You can monitor the progress of the update on the app details page. After the update is complete, click on the Open button to launch the updated CyberScout app. You may be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions or to allow the app to access certain features on your device. Review the permissions and terms carefully before agreeing to them. It is a good practice to regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. You can also enable automatic updates in your App Store settings to receive updates automatically. This way, you can stay up to date with the latest version of the CyberScout app without having to manually check for updates. In addition, make sure to only update the CyberScout app from the official App Store to avoid any potential security risks. Updating the app from unauthorized sources can put your device and personal data at risk. By following these steps and best practices, you can keep your CyberScout app up to date and ensure a safe and secure user experience.